Okay, so we have same topology for full client SSL VPN. Everyone, please wait. I'm doing basic configuration. Hello, Ahmed. Good evening, dear. We have same topology, okay, for full client SSL VPN. Let's verify our connectivity from this management PC, everyone. 199.1, and I'm getting reply. Now we can access. As per our topology, we can configure gigabit Ethernet 0/0 interface for LAN network and 0/1 for WAN side. Wait. Okay, let's configure this inside router, inside LAN machine, you can say. LAN PC, fast Ethernet 0/0, 200 dot 10, for example. Now gateway we can set for any destination. For any destination, 200.1 is a gateway. Let's go on to the firewall device. Management IP, we are using 199.199.1. Username admin1, password admin1. You can click on OK. Okay, let's configure interfaces now first. Gigabit Ethernet 0/0. We are using for inside network. So inside IP address, we have same topology everyone. So 200 network I'm using 200, 200, 200.1 mask 0/1 interface outside security level 0 IP address 32.1/24. Now let's push this configuration. Now I'm configuring default routing towards ISP side. Okay. Basic configuration. Any problem? Ahmed, Akbar, Jatinder, Rajneesh. Everyone, any problem in basic configuration?
No, sir.
Okay. Any IPv4 gateways 10.1.32.10. Now let's go for the full client SSL VPN configuration. So why full client SSL VPN? Because in full client SSL VPN, okay, enable interface means when you configure ASA via CLI, we'll type no shutdown. Yes, Ahmed. You can select checkbox here. Yes. Enable interface means no shutdown command. Yes. Okay. So now, why full client SSL VPN? Because in full client SSL VPN, outside user can access any IP application. So how to configure? You can click on wizard. You can click on VPN, and here is the option: any connect wizard. Now you need a simple topology for this lab: one outside device, and remote gateway, or you can say VPN gateway device. So click on next. First, you can give connection profile name. So for example, I'm using SSL-VPN. VPN access interface. So as per our topology, our VPN access interface is public facing interface, 0/1 interface. So I'm using outside interface. You can click on next. Now you can decide your VPN protocol. Everyone, remember I told you you can configure a remote access VPN with IPsec, or you can go with SSL option. Remember, Akbar, Amar, Jatinder, Rajneesh,
Yes, sir.
everyone,
Remember, you can go with
everyone.
SSL
Yes,
or IPsec.
So both options are available. Now you can decide, okay, SSL or IPsec. Now
Yes.
you can go with digital certificate here. So here into this testing scenario, I'm using self-signed certificate. You can click on manage. You can click on add a new identity certificate. You can select this checkbox. Why? To generate self-signed certificate. And this checkbox, why? For act as a local certificate authority. You can click on add certificate. You can click on send. You can click on OK. You can click on OK. Now, click on next. Now you need client image, everyone. You need Cisco any current client image. Okay, if outside user, for example, you don't have any Cisco any connect application, so you can provide a portal page. Through portal page, outside user can download and install Cisco any connect or VPN client application. So here into this topology, okay, here into this practical, you can see you can verify on Cisco ASA firewall device. If you check disk information, so we have any connect for Linux, any connect for macOS, and any connect for Windows operating system. So you can use anyone. In our topology, we are working with Windows machine. So here you can decide. You can click on add. You can go to flash disk. You can verify in flash disk what we have. We have any connect application. So in our topology, we are working with Windows machine. So I'm using Cisco any connect Windows. You can click on OK. You can click on OK. So you can upload your client image, VPN client application image. Now you can click on next. You can decide authentication method. authentication method. You can go with any AAA server group like Radius, TechX, okay, or LDAP, you can decide, or you can use local database. It's up to you. For example, if you have any LDAP server or uh, TechX server or Radius server, you can click on new. You can click on new and you can decide. See, authentication protocol, you can decide. See, Radius, TechX, and LDAP. You can create an entry. In testing scenario, what we are doing, everyone, we are creating user account in local database. So we have admin1 user account. If you want to create, you can create username, password, confirm password. So I'm using what? Local database. AAA server group is what? Local.
Okay.
Now you
Okay, sir.
can
Create
click.
one user. User.
Yes, Akbar.
Create one user. We will connect with that user account. Here, local user account.
Okay,
One
okay.
more.
User
Other than
account.
administrator.
User account.
Create one. Some
Yes, you can
user,
create.
something like that.
You can create both. You can go
Ah,
with the graphical page, or you can go with the CLI option.
okay.
VPN1, for example,
Okay.
or you can create user account with this CLI command. For example, username VPN2, password VPN2, and privilege 50. So we have, you can verify right now, show run username. You can verify here we have two user account, user1 and VPN2. Right now it's not available because we need to push this configuration in Cisco Asa our device. So you can verify here we have two user account, admin1 and VPN2. Let's complete this configuration. So we have one more user account, VPN1. So admin1, VPN1, and VPN2. We have three user account. Now you can click on next. You can click on next. And now you can decide IP address pool information. When outside user, outside machine will download and install Cisco ANY Connect. So when you will download and install Cisco ANY Connect, for example, in my laptop, I have 40 client application. I have 40 client. Okay. So when you have VPN client application, so when you install, okay, it will automatically install a virtual adapter card. It will automatically install virtual adapter card. So when this outside machine will install Cisco ANY Connect, automatically a virtual LAN card will install, and you can provide IP address to this virtual LAN card. For example, in your LAN side, what you have 200 network. So same series of IP address you can provide to outside user. Okay, so you can go with address pool. IP version 4 we are using. Click on new. Name you can decide. For example, VPN-pool, just a name. Start. So for VPN users, I want to provide 200.155 to 160. Mask 255.255/24. So you can create IP pool range. So we have 6 IP address. Okay, for 6 outside VPN users, you can click on next. You can define your DNS information if you want to provide. If you want to provide DNS entry, for example, DNS you are using 8.8.8. You can provide DNS information, click on next and next and finish. You are sending these commands, everyone. See, Ahmed, Akbar, Jatinder.
Yes,
Graphical
sir.
configuration is simple. You are sending commands here. In Cisco Asa Firewall, you can click on send. Now, what we can do, we can go on outside machine. Let's go on outside machine here. Outside machine. So into this testing scenario, we have here Cisco ANY Connect application. You can verify, see. Cisco ANY Connect application we have. If you want to download from portal, so You can open your browser. Let's verify IP address information first. Okay, IP address, IP config. So I'm using 10.1.32.10. Let's verify our connectivity with public facing interface IP address 32.1, 32.1. So I'm getting reply. So we have IP address on public facing interface. Now, if I have a portal information, for example, okay, as a firewall administrator, you can provide to portal information to outside user. So for example, if I as a outside user, if I have a portal information, so I can type portal information. For example, 10.1.32.1 is a portal information outside. So from portal, I can download Cisco ANY Connect. If I have already, so no problem, I can establish my connection. But here I'm trying to show you how to download in case if you want to download your Cisco ANY Connect application. So you can see, remember our SSL VPN connection profile name. Everyone, SSL-VPN. Remember our connection profile name? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
This is our connection profile name, everyone. So now username. So username we have, okay, let's verify again. User information again, show run username. So we have admin1, VPN2, VPN1. So you can try to log in with any account, for example, VPN2. Password, I think we are using 12345. Let me check. Password. Okay, VPN2. Wait. Password VPN2. You can click on login. If this outside machine is authenticated successfully, so you can see I'm getting a page for to download Cisco ANY Connect application. Everyone, if outside user will authenticate successfully, so he's getting what? To download Cisco ANY Connect mobile application. He can download and install. I'm not downloading, okay? I'm giving you idea, okay? You can get a download link here. Wait. So through portal, you can download Cisco ANY Connect application. After that, you can install. Wait, everyone, it's working soon. Any question, Akbar, Ahmed, Jatinder, Rajneesh?
No, sir.
Sir.
No, sir.
Okay, please wait, it's working soon. What about real network? You need to upload any connect for client in Cisco ASA Flash. Can I use difference instead of Ahmed? You need to create same range, okay, which you are using in your LAN site first, okay? And your question is what real network you need to upload Cisco ANY Connect for? Yes, you need to upload it, Ahmed. You can use any TFTP application, Ahmed. You can use any TFTP application to upload or download any application. You can go on Cisco firewall device. If you remember, copy TFTP command from CCNA classes. Okay, copy. You can decide TFTP. Copy TFTP question mark. You can decide TFTP to disk. You can define TFTP IP address here. Ahmed, clear my point? You can download.
Can we copy from USB to the router?
Sorry, copy to
flash drive like we copy iOS.
USB option. I think is not available here because this
Flash.
is Cisco Asa Akbar. Okay,
Mhm.
USB option is not. Let me check. Here we have disk option. But actually, see, application where we have application in TFTP most of the time. So you can upload. My point is what you can upload or download.
Okay, sir. So what is this disk 0 is what? It is the memory inside the router.
Sorry,
What is disk 0?
disk. It's a storage. Akbar.
It is the
So local storage.
flash.
Yes, you can say hard disk, flash disk. You can say same. Flash disk and disk is same. If you type show disk, we have same information. If you type show flash, wait, we have same information. Disk
Both
and
are same.
flash, same. Yes, exactly. See,
So flash.
flash disk you can say.
So okay, sir.
Okay, everyone. See here we are getting an option to download Cisco AD Connect VPN. See, you can just click here. You can download. It's downloading in exe format. So you can check your download folder. You can download and install. Installation is very simple, just like any application. You can just click on next, and install. When you install this application, Cisco AD Connect, you can get an icon here. See, this is Cisco AD Connect mobile client application. So you can see here first when you install your when you install this VPN client application, it will automatically install a virtual adapter card. Right now, this virtual adapter card is disabled. Okay, it's disabled because we need to establish our connection first. But right now it's disabled. Okay, you can verify IP address here. If you verify IP address onto this outside machine, IP config. So yes, we have IP address on our Ethernet interface, Ethernet adapter 10.1.32.10 only. We have IP address, but only on Ethernet interface. So from outside, first I can verify my connectivity with public facing interface 10.1.32.1. If I'm getting reply, so I can open my Cisco AnyConnect application. You can provide information here. See 10.1.32.1. You can click on connect. So from outside, you can initiate your connection. You will get a prompt here for username and password. Okay, security warning, no problem. Connect anyway. So here we have what? Connection, VPN connection profile name. Username is admin. You can change your username, no problem. Or let's try with the admin one. Password admin one. You can click on OK. If this outside machine is authenticated successfully through local database, because we have 3 user account, so this LAN card will enable automatically. When you establish your connection, you will get a message here. Okay. Let's verify IP address information again. IP config. You can see everyone, we are getting IP address. Remember our IP address range?
200.
So Ahmed. So this outside machine is a part of this LAN network, you can say. Now I'm trying to access resources, for example. I'm trying to access telnet service. Okay, let's enable telnet first. line VTY, Cisco 123. Telnet inside machine IP address is 200, 200, 210. So 200, 200, 210. You can click on open. We are getting a page for access. See password. Password we are using Cisco 123. Akbar, Amar, Jatinder, Rajneesh. See,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
we
sir.
can establish our connection. Why? Because we have VPN connection. If you disable, for example, if I disconnect this, okay, I do not have any VPN connection. You can verify here the IP config. Let's verify IP config again. So we have IP address only on our Ethernet interface. And if you are trying to access telnet service again, for example, telnet service for 200 200.10. So I cannot access private resources, everyone. See, to access private resources, to access private network, I need to establish VPN connection first. That is clear for you, Jatinder, Ahmed, Akbar.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now let's try to establish
Yes.
Sir, can you open the network adapter? Let us see
network
the
adapter.
status. How it will become active. Still see it is showing like that.
It's disabled right now, Akbar.
Ah, okay.
Let's try to establish our connection again. Okay, you will not access because the PC. Yes, Ahmed. Once you establish your VPN connection, then yes, you are allowed to access private resources.
Because this warning was security warning, right? Certificate was private certificate. That's why.
Yes, it's a self-signed certificate.
Okay, sir. When you generate the certificate while configuring, it will create client certificate and server certificate, right?
Client certificate and server certificate.
Because
It's a
public and private,
combination, Akbar. It's a
yes,
combination.
public and private, both will created by the device.
Yes, it is in a single. It is in a single certificate.
Ah,
If you have third-party certificate authority,
mm.
it means you have combination, public and private key communication, public and
Here no
private key combination. Okay.
Okay.
Here we have self-sign. It means it is all the key information is in a single certificate, in a
Okay.
self-signed certificate.
Then
Now you
when
can, well, let's try to establish our connection again. If everything is okay, so this LAN card will enable automatically. Wait. And we can verify IP address information again. IP config. Wait. Connected IP config. Again, I'm getting 155, and you can see LAN card is enabled now. Now you can try to establish your connection again. For example, I want to access Telnet. It's a IP application. Telnet password is Cisco 123. Clear this full client SSL VPN.
yes,
Please
sir.
ask your question, everyone. Clear now?
Yes, clear.
Akbar,
Yes,
please
sir.
ask your
Yes,
question.
sir.
No, now clear. Now I get clear. My question was this: uh, if is
Jatinder,
the
any
certificate,
question?
No, sir.
Okay, this is our what? Full client SSL VPN configuration. Now we can go for deep packet inspection concept. It's a small topic, okay? Wait. Okay, well, the next topic is what? Deep packet inspection. Akbar, Amar, Jatinder. Topic is deep packet inspection. See, Cisco ASA firewall is not a next generation firewall device, everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Rajneesh, Jatinder.
Yes, sir.
Guys, please wait 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, now. Okay, so Cisco ASA firewall device is not a next generation firewall device, everyone. It can filter the traffic based on, can anyone help me? Cisco ASA can filter the traffic based on
ACL.
ACL. ACL means what? L3 and L4 information. So Cisco ASA
Correct.
can only filter your traffic, can detect only these information and can take action. It's not a next generation firewall device. For example, it cannot detect any application. This firewall cannot detect any malicious link or malicious file. No. But this firewall can do deep packet inspection for some application layer protocol. I'm not talking about data payload, okay? What data you are accessing. For example, you are downloading any application, for example. Okay, I'm trying to download Mozilla Firefox application. And this Firefox application is infected with virus. Then your ASA firewall cannot detect. Clear my point? ASA firewall cannot detect. So what ASA can do in deep packet inspection? ASA can detect command instruction, everyone. Command instruction. For example, FTP protocol. Everyone remember FTP protocol? File transfer protocol. How
Yes, sir.
FTP will work? Can anyone help me? How FTP will work? How FTP connection will work? For example, this is FTP client, everyone. This is FTP server, for example. How FTP work? So client in FTP work on 20. Yes, Emma, it's work on port number 20 and 21. Okay, wait, I'm trying to tell you about deep inspection. Okay, wait. How FTP will work? See, in FTP connection, client will initiate his connection, right, everyone? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Client will
Right, sir.
initiate his connection and server will give the reply. So this connection, this channel is what? Through this channel, you are uploading your data, you are downloading your information through FTP connection. So FTP port number is 21, right? But FTP port
Yes.
number is 20 we have. Where we are using 20?
For
FTP is
control.
using two port number, 20 and 21.
20 is control protocol.
Most of the time we are saying port number 21. Channel, yes, Ahmed, channel, yes, exactly. What we have channel. See, this complete connection is what? It's called a channel, okay? This complete connection is divided into two channels. First is control channel and data channel. Control channel is what? In control channel, you are sending your command instruction. For example, get information, put information, and data channel. In data channel, what you are doing? You are uploading your file, your data, like 1 GB file, 2 GB file. You are uploading your data. So what is the background process in FTP? Client client will send traffic to FTP. So source port number, for example, 52,000 and destination port number, everyone, 21, right? 21.
Yes, sir.
This channel is established, everyone. Now, within a channel, okay, when they establish this control channel, within a channel, now FTP servers, FTP server will send a request to FTP client. Okay, this connection is established. Now, please open a port number. FTP server is saying to FTP client, please open a port number. Because to transfer our data information, we need a separate channel. Okay, so please open a port number. He's saying to FTP client. So he just opened a port number, a separate port number, but it's a background process. Actual port number is what? 52,000. So he can open a port number, for example, 52005. And here port number is 20. So FTP server is saying, now for second channel, I have port number 20. Please open port number 5, any port number. So FTP is using two port number, 20 and 21 in background. So Cisco Asa firewall, he has this information, how FTP work. He has this information. You can verify it, how FTP process will work. In your ASA, my point is, in your ASA, deep packet inspection service is by default enabled. Let me show you. It's a by default enable, no need to configure anything. Let me show you. By default, it's enabled. For example, I'm talking about FTP service. See, your ASA can inspect FTP application, DNS application, but only command instruction, everyone, not data payload. For example, SMTP. SMTP is a simple mail transfer protocol. For example, to run SMTP application, it's required 15 to 18 instruction in background. For example, Akbar, Ahmed, Jatinder, Rajneesh, to use SMTP protocol, my point is what? To use SMTP protocol, we need 15 to 18 command instruction in background. For example, if you search about SMTP, it's required 15 to 18 instruction. Now, when any attacker will insert some instruction, command instruction into this SMTP traffic, so this number will increase. For example, 35 or 55. So in your ASA firewall device, deep packet inspection feature is enabled. MPF modular policy framework, you can say, or deep packet inspection feature is enabled for SMTP. You can see inspect SMTP is enabled. Okay, see, inspect FTP service is enabled. So when attacker will, when attacker will add any information, for example, so firewall can check command instruction. If command instruction is what, 35, for example, or 55, so firewall can say it's an attack. It's not a normal behavior, it's an attack. So firewall can take action, can stop the traffic. Clear my point? Everyone?
Sir, this is ESMDP. What is that?
Sorry? No, it's just a name. Just a name.
SMTP,
it's a SMTP, Akbar, okay? Don't worry.
Okay.
It's a SMTP.
Okay.
So would be great if you can just explain, I mean, again or just a little bit with the example.
See, deep packet inspection can identify the command instruction. SMTP protocol is not enabled in deep inspection. Yes, Ahmed, it's not enabled. ICMP is not enabled. That's why ICMP traffic is not allowed by default. Okay, but that's why ICMP protocol is not enabled. But you can enable. I will show you. You can enable. But my point is what? Your firewall can do deep inspection, but it can only identify, it can do deep inspection, but it can only identify command instruction, not data payload. For example, DNS information we have, wait, let me check. DNS information, see, for DNS service, inspection is enabled. So for example, to run DNS service, to run DNS application, approx 50 to 52 instruction is required. How DNS work? ASA no. How DNS work? How FTP work? How FTP what is how FTP work, for example? What is the behavior of FTP? ASA no. Only you need to enable this inspection, but by default it's enabled. You can see by default inspection is enabled for DNS, FTP. See, multiple protocols are here. Okay, I'm not talking about these protocol, okay, because we are not related. Okay, we are related with DNS, FTP, and SMTP. For example, you have a S323, it's a voice protocol. So I'm not talking about this, okay? But here we have what? DNS, FTP, SMTP. My point is what? Your firewall cannot detect virus, but can detect command instruction. It's called deep packet inspection. Clear my point? Through FTP service, what virus you are downloading, firewall cannot check. Clear, Akbar, Jatinder, Rajesh, Ahmed?
So, sir, it's only authenticating the access. It's not checking
Commands
the
instruction,
data
command
payload.
instruction, command.
Yes, yes.
Okay? Because to run
Right.
any application, to run any service, we need command. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For example, if you are typing, here, router rip. So to execute this command, you need lots of instruction. Okay, in background. If I'm trying to enable rip protocol, I need instruction. So here we have what? Deep inspection feature is enabled by default. And into this deep packet inspection, firewall can inspect DNS, FTP service, and SMTP. Clear my point? Akbar, any question?
We can enable
It's
for any
not
other
so
protocol also.
it's not popular option, everyone. Okay, no one is using deep packet inspection in Cisco ASA because we have next generation firewall device like Cisco Firepower or Fortinet or Checkpoint. But ASA is giving you option. Okay. Yes, Akbar.
Can we put any other protocol also include in this? Like
Only these options are available. Let me show you. If you go here in Cisco ASA, if you go into this command syntax, wait, what we have a command policy map. Let's go in policy map, class in. Okay, you can type class. Now question mark. We have, okay, let's match your protocol, all protocols. Okay, wait. So what you can inspect in Cisco ASA, I told you deep packet inspection is enabled by default. So let's go in class map. Class map is a command, okay? Class map we are using for to match our traffic. So class map, and this is just a name, inspection underscore default. And into this command, what we have, match command. So we can match here our traffic. So match. So you can see into this command syntax with match, we have this option default hyphen inspection hyphen traffic. If you type question mark here, so we have what, default hyphen inspection hyphen traffic, and into this option we have these protocols. Our task right now, our task is related with DNS. You are familiar with DNS, right? You are familiar with FTP. You are familiar with SMTP, right, everyone? I'm not talking about other protocols.
Yes, sir.
Because separate administrator can use, his protocol for his task. Okay. So for example, I told you S323, it's a voice protocol. So by default, this command is executed. Okay, this command is matched. So It means what? You are matching all these protocols. So here we have a command. By default, it's enabled. That's why we have a command, class map command to match your traffic, policy map command to take a action. Here we have a policy map command to take a action. And this policy map you can apply on interfaces where you want to apply your deep packet inspection. You can see here we have service policy command, service policy, and you can see this global underscore policy is what? It's a policy map name. And global means what? I'm trying to apply this global policy. Global policy is what? Policy map. I'm trying to apply this global policy on global. It means I'm trying to apply on all interfaces. Otherwise, you can decide if you want to apply, if you want to enable deep packet inspection on a specific interface, you can define here. See, for example, if you type service policy, global policy. Now, if you type question mark, wait.
So you are the very big one.
Yes. I need to go in global configuration.
Yes.
If you type question mark, so you can go with global or you can specify your interfaces. You can specify your interfaces. Clear my point? So by default, it's enabled. No need to do anything. By default, it's enabled.
Okay, sir.
Clear my point?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
No need to do
So
anything, everyone. It's a
one,
by default enabled. But in case, if you want to inspect any other protocol, okay, for example, ICMP. So what you can do, you can go in your policy map. You can go into your policy map. And now you can type class. Class is what? You can type class. And with class, you can define your class map information. So class, and now you can type question mark. Inspect. See, for example, I want to inspect ICMP this time. So you can type ICMP. Done. Now ICMP traffic is allowed. Inspection is enabled for ICMP. You can see now. If I'm trying to initiate my traffic, if I'm trying to travel through the firewall device, ICMP traffic I'm talking about. So traffic is allowed. Let me show you. See. Let's configure. Okay, wait. It's not a popular feature, everyone. Okay, because to detect malicious information, now we have next generation firewall device. But Cisco ASA is giving you option.
I have one question which is related to the management.
Mhm.
Why I should choose ASA?
No one is using ASA now, Jatinder.
I mean,
No one is using ASA. Everyone is
yeah,
using Cisco Firepower Threat Defense.
but
Why
this
ASA is required? Because it's a Firepower is a base.
okay.
Firepower is a combination of ASA and Firepower. Sorry, Firepower Threat Defense is a combination of ASA and Firepower. Okay, so to learn Firepower Threat Defense, you need to know how to work with ASA firewall device.
Okay.
Clear my point?
Yeah.
ASA
But
is
but the
required.
Cisco is not offering this as of now.
No.
Okay.
Every organization is using Cisco Firepower Threat Defense.
Okay.
But it's a base. If you want to learn Cisco Firepower Threat Defense, next generation firewall device,
Okay.
okay, you need to learn ASA first, because Firepower Threat Defense, it's a combination of ASA and NG-IPS. NG-IPS you can say, or Firepower you can say.
Okay.
Variation.
So command syntax is same on Cisco Firepower Threat Defense. Command syntax is same. These commands can help you. Wait. Now, I'm trying to configure outside router. Wait. I want to show you now ICMP inspection is enabled. So ICMP traffic is allowed when traffic is trying to ICMP traffic is trying to travel through the firewall device. Firewall can inspect this traffic. Okay, from inside machine, if I'm trying to ping 10.1.32.10. 32 dot. Okay, wait, I need to configure routing also. Root outside I think gateway is not set. Let me check here. Gateway information. Yes, gateway not set. Any network, any mask. ICMP traffic is traveling now. See why it's traveling? Because in your configuration, in your deep packet inspection, you enable your
enabled.
ICMP.
Yes, yes.
So it's a small topic. It's not a not important too much. Okay, and not complicated. It's a small concept. Clear now?
So without enable ICMP, you need to configure access list. All right?
Yes, you can configure. You can define through ACL.
Yes, yes.
Through ACL, you can allow any traffic.
Yes, yes.
Akbar, Jatinder, Rajneesh. This is our Cisco ASF hour training. Okay, from next weekend, we will start our Cisco Firepower. Okay, we will start
sir.
from 4.
Okay, sir.
Everyone, Cisco Firepower Threat Defense. Please share your email ID. Okay, for FTD slides and notes. Okay, everyone.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, just
Okay.
can you open the
Sir.
content of ASA training? Just
Sorry, Ahmed.
can you open the content ASA training? Please?
Contained.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes. To see what's
Okay. Akbar, any
Sir,
question?
we can put the packet inspection for all well-known port.
Or well-known port.
Yes.
See, only these information, I told you, only these informations are available. Again, let me show you. If you check,
But you add ICMP. Sure. Okay.
only these options are available. You can go in class map. Okay, you can type match. And you can see, either you can go with any, Akbar. Okay, or you can do, or you can create your ACL entry to match any protocol service. Okay, protocol or service, and this ACL you can call here, or you can go with default inspection traffic. So here we have some protocols. It's a combination default hyphen inspection hyphen traffic. It's a combination of these protocols.
If I can create access list, then I can put a 80443.
But you in ACL, what you can match, Akbar? In ACL, what you can match, what you can see, access list, for example, permit, TCP. You can define your source, right? For example, any destination, any, then equal to, you can define your port number.
HTTP, anything. Okay. Then it will do inspection on the
HTTPS, you cannot inspect here. See, here we can inspect only these protocols. Try to clear my point. You can inspect here only these protocols.
Okay.
HTTPS option is not available. Akbar.
Okay.
Yes. Ahmed, please check Zoom chat window.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Please check now. I shared the course content. This is Cisco ASA. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Bye, everyone. Take care, guys. Good night. Let's continue our topic on next weekend.
Okay,
Please share
sir.
your
Bye.
email,
Good
please
night.
share your
Bye.
email ID again, everyone. Okay.
Sure,
For
sir.
Okay.
FTD slides.
Okay, sir.
Bye, everyone. Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye.